My name is Joseph and I had an heart attack with sand and glue.
Hello, my name's Joshua and I had an heart attack with hole punch confetti. Hello, my name is Darren and I had an heart attack with glue and glitter.
Great art attack from Sherwood Park School. Draw a picture onto some paper or card and paint it, not with paint, but with glue. Now, I'm using PVA glue here, but you can use any glue that you can lay your sticky hands on. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just painting the glue right up to the edge of my pencil marks. Now, you don't have to paint the glue on. You can squeeze it straight from the bottle if you've got a steady hand. Let's see how steady my hands are. OK, I'm just keeping to my pencil line. Going all the way around there. Ah, not so bad. Doesn't matter if you're a bit wobbly, because it will tidy up in a minute. There it goes. On the last strip there, doesn't matter, because again, that will tidy up. And while it's still wet, I'm going to use some glitter. Now watch this, just chuck the glitter on. Now this is the bit where you don't have to be neat and tidy. Just chuck it on as long as it covers the glue. There we are, a bit of silver. Now, I think we need a bit of blue for up here. Now I'm using different colours here. I've strategically worked out where they should go beforehand. But again, don't have to be too neat. I do with this bit though, a little bit of flesh glitter. Now where did I get flesh glitter from, I hear you say? Well, I mixed it, I say. It's simply gold glitter, silver glitter and red. Or if you want the skin a bit darker, just put some blue in. All the way down there. Reminds me of an eruption from a glitter volcano. There we go. A little bit more fresh colour in the bottom there, 2 little blobs, and just chuck on some red there. There it is, completed. Just make sure all the glue is covered with glitter, and then put it to one side, let it dry, and let the glue soak up all the glitter. And then the good bit. You simply tip it, and shake, and shake, and shake, and shake. And there it is, a glitter picture. Try it yourself, get your fingers sticky and give yourself a glue and glitter attack. I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!